Taking care of your teeth is an essential part of maintaining good oral health. Brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, and visiting your dentist for regular checkups are some of the best ways to keep your teeth healthy and strong. When brushing your teeth, use a toothbrush with soft bristles and fluoride toothpaste. Brush for at least 2 minutes, making sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth, including the fronts, backs, and tops. Don't forget to brush your tongue, too, as it can harbor bacteria that cause bad breath. Flossing is equally important as it helps to remove plaque and food particles that get stuck between your teeth. Use a length of floss about 18 inches long, wrap it around your fingers, and slide it between your teeth, making a C-shape around each tooth. In addition to brushing and flossing, you should also avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, as they can erode your tooth enamel and lead to cavities. Instead, opt for a balanced diet rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, which can help to strengthen your teeth and bones. Remember, taking care of your teeth is a lifelong commitment. By following these simple steps, you can maintain good oral health and enjoy a bright, healthy smile for years to come.